Hello, assalamu alaikum. My name is Shaban Basit. I'm the owner of NutraBee company. Kids Kami honey, it's a unique blend of the raw honey, buckwheat, or same as the cedar, with the bee propolis. We combine bee propolis with this honey, especially for children, for their cough, cold, sores, and sore throat. Highly recommended twice a day, once in the morning and once in the afternoon. Just a cup of warm water, mix it well and give it to your child to enjoy it and get relief from the cold, flu and sore throat.
سيفكو طريقة حياة.